Welcome back. Today we are out of office but at home. We're going to be discussing one of my favorite at-home wellness devices to improve sleep health, muscle recovery, and overall skincare health. We're talking about infrared sauna blankets. It's definitely my favorite self-care investment that I've made in the past 2 years. I use it every couple of weeks. I should be using it more because it has so many health wellness benefits in addition to skincare benefits. Let's get scientific for a moment. When you invest in an infrared sauna blanket, you're actually helping to improve your heart health, your skin health, your sleep health, and muscle recovery. So I really love this after working out. It's gonna help to reduce any soreness, aches, and muscle pain. That's really good if you're somebody who also suffers from something like arthritis. Using an infrared sauna blanket also reduces your chances of heart attacks. It improves your blood circulation, which is great for longevity. For me personally, I like it because it gives me an energized feeling when I'm done with the session. The blanket uses infrared technology to heat itself. That heat in turn dilates your blood vessels, bringing more oxygen, oxygenating your blood, and improving your overall organ health. And as we know from the hyperbaric oxygen chamber video, go watch it if you don't know, oxygenating your blood helps to treat a number of illnesses. It can also be great for people with diabetes, and studies have shown that using a sauna blanket can help to reduce your likelihood of developing Alzheimer's and other dementia-related illnesses. And last but not least, it's used a lot for weight loss. So med spas will offer sessions where you can come and just lay inside a sauna blanket, and it really works. That sweating, of course, will help you to shed the pounds faster. And the sauna blanket helps to speed up your metabolism. Let's get started. I like to do 45 minutes to an hour inside my sauna blanket, so I make sure I have everything that I'll need. I make sure I have some water, and I also add magnesium to my water for a little bit of flavor and extra muscle recovery. When I'm finished with my session, usually I feel a combination of calmness, but also energized. Your body feels stronger, you feel that blood circulating, and it's just a euphoric feeling overall. I'm going to be showing you how I use my infrared sauna blanket to improve my health in various ways. I'll be doing a level 9 session for 60 minutes. To avoid any burns or mishaps, you want to make sure your skin is covered, so I throw on some socks and a hoodie. You can use your blanket just about anywhere, like on your couch or on your bed. I just prefer to do it on the floor. I usually just hang out, watch some TV. Sometimes I'll read a book, but it's hard to focus once that heat sets in. I'm not a heavy sweater, but if you are, I would say to lay down a mat or a towel underneath it. I use the MyHigh portable infrared sauna blanket. You can find it on Amazon. I have it linked in my bio. All you have to do is click the Amazon logo in my bio. Just like any other heating device, it can take some time to get warm. So in the beginning, you feel like, oh, this is cool, this is casual. But as that heat climbs, you're gonna start to lose it. But when I tell you it's worth every moment, because when you come out, you feel so exhilarated and euphoric. And that night, you sleep like a baby.